Hello students, welcome to all of you Shiksha 360. Today we have to discuss the chapter number 3 IT, that is Introduction to Computer MCQ set number 1. Okay, so as theory we have already covered side by side in the regular sessions. So in this session we have to discuss some of the important questions, and definitely one thing I will tell you, these questions basically will help you in the examination, and most of the things you will find that many of the questions are straightforward what we are discussing here. So now let's start our discussion. So what is a computer software? The first question basically presents on your screen now, that is, what is a computer software? This point we have already discussed in the chapter number 3, part 1. So option number A, that is the physical components of a computer system. Second option, that is a collection of computer programs, procedures, and documentations that performs some task on a computer system. The interface between the hardware and the users. Or option number D, that is a specific task that a computer can perform. Here, a specific task that a computer can perform. So please tell fast what will be the correct answer of this question. That is like option number, that is the physical component. Physical components, it is to be known to be as the hardware. Okay, that are touchable. So what is a computer software? Option number B, it is the correct answer. That is, it is a collection of computer programs, procedures, and documentation that perform some specific task on a computer system. Okay. So option number like here, that is a specific task that can perform on a computer that has to be performed by the software, but it is specifically the application software. Application software. Okay. Now move to the next question. As we know that basically softwares are basically of two types. First one, that is softwares are classified basically into the three main major categories: system software, programming software, and the application software. Okay. So software we classify into the following three categories: system, programming. So these sessions along with the MCQ, this is an overview of the chapter also, application. Now move to the answer next question, that is what the second question says, that what is the basic difference between the application software and the system software? Clear? What is the basic difference between the application software and the system software to be here? So now let's discuss. Application software basically performs specific tasks for the users, while the system software basically provides the necessary applications for the application software. Option number B, that is application software, it is loaded into the RAM, while system software, it is executed in the central processing unit. Third one, application software basically consists of the machine language, while system software consists of the binary codes. Option number D, that is application software, it is a physical component of a computer system, while system software, it is a collection of the computer programs. So first of all, when these are options are so much lengthy and we are not able to identify what will be the correct answer, so we have to go point by point. Like the software, it is a physical, it is a basically hardware part or not? It is not a hardware. So here, that is application software, it is a physical component, that is we can say that it is a touchable. Touchable, we can say like a hardware part. So this option, it is to be totally wrong. Okay. So here we have to be attempt out step by step. So according to you, basically, that is application software. That is application software, as the name suggests here, that are used for the specific task. Clear? That are used for the specific task. And while the other system software, that is basically for providing the necessary services for the application software. Clear? So option number A will be the correct answer. That is, application software basically performs specific tasks for the users, while the system software basically provides necessary services for the application software. Clear provides the necessary services for the application software to be here. So can anyone tell basically some of the examples of the application software like MS Office or web browsers like Firefox, Chrome? Okay. So all these comes under the application software. Under the programming software, we have to discuss the different types of the programming language with the generation, that is first generation programming language, second generation programming language, third generation, fourth generation, and fifth generation. Along with that, one full form basically comes in my mind, which I want that all of you are aware regarding that. What is the full form of the COBOL? This is the language. Can anyone tell basically what is the full form of COBOL? COBOL. Please tell fast in the comment section. That is common. CO common. B for business. O for oriented. Language. Okay. So common business oriented language to be here. Now move to the next question. What is the relationship between the computer software and the computer hardware? Clear? What is the relationship between the basically the word that is computer software and the computer hardware? Option number A, that is they are the same thing. Computer software encompasses the physical interconnections and devices required to store and execute the software. Computer hardware, it is loaded into RAM and executed in the central processing unit. Or option number D, that is computer software. It is loaded into the RAM and executed in the central processing unit, and it is separated from the physical components of the system. So option number D will be the most accurate answer. That is computer software. It is to be loaded into RAM. Okay. And it is executed in the central processing unit, that is CPU. And it is to be separated from the physical components of the system. Clear? And that is to be also separated from the physical components of the system to be here. Option number D will be the correct answer. And I request to all of you kindly go through the theory portion also, so that you are able to answer the correct question, answer the correct. What is a computer software? Clear? Now move to the next one. Question number 4, that is computer software. A collection of computer hardware components. Option number 2, that is a set of instructions that enables a computer to perform specific tasks. Option number C, that is physical interconnection and devices required to store and execute the software, or a language specific to an individual processor. Clear? Or a language specific to an individual processor. So what is a computer software? Computer software, basically it is a set of instructions. Clear? Computer software, it is a set of instructions that enables to perform the specific task. Clear? Computer, basically it is a set of instructions that enables a computer to perform a specific task. So option number B will be the correct answer. Like here, that is basically in the central processing unit, basically instructions are to be executed. So CPU, it is further divides. Clear? Like at the lowest level, software SW, that is software, consists of a machine language. Clear? Like there are three types of the language. That is, one is machine language, 01 in the form of 01. Second one, that is assembly language. Third one, that is the high level language. So one more question, that is which you have to tell in the comment section. What is the meaning of the word assembler, or what is the definition of the term assembler? Clear? What is the definition of the term assembler to be here? Now move to the next question, question number 5. What is the relationship between? I think this question we have already discussed. Yes, question number 3 and question number 5, I think. So now I will discuss once. So what is the relationship between the computer software and the computer hardware to be here? So option number A, that is computer software. It is another name. No. Computer software and hardware are completely independent upon each other. Computer software, it is loaded into the RAM and executed in the central processing unit of the computer hardware. Clear? So this one will be the correct answer. Now move to the question number 6, which we have already discussed earlier. What are the three major classes of the software system? Clear? We have already discussed. First one, that is the application software. Data storage software, no. Programming software, yes. Networking software, no. System software, programming software, and application software. Clear? System software, programming software, and the application software. Clear? So option number C will be the correct answer. Okay, so the three major classes of the software system, that is the system software, programming software, and the application software to be here. So option number C will be the accurate answer or the correct answer to be here. Now, for all the sessions of the elective IT, along with the MCQs or recently MCQs asked memory-based questions, clear, everything we will be covered in our sessions. So interested students basically who have enrolled for the CAB and looking for the IT sessions, they can also join. The rest conditions are available here. So now move to the next question, question number 7. What is the purpose of the system software? Clear. Now move to the next question, question number 7. What is the purpose of the system software? Option number A, that is to enable the users to perform productive tasks, to interface with the hardware to provide necessary services for the application software, to control and coordinate the distributed systems, to insulate the application programs as much as possible. Clear? To insulate the application programs as much as possible from the underlying hardware system. So what will be the correct answer? Option number D will be the correct answer. That is to insulate the application software as much as possible basically from the underlying hardware system. Okay? To insulate the application programs as much as possible basically from the underlying hardware system. So option number D will be the correct answer. Now move to the question number 8, that is what is assembly language? Clear? What is assembly language to be here? It is a high level language program? No. A mnemonic representation of the machine language using a natural language alphabet. A language specific to an individual processor. Clear? That is a language which is specific to an individual processor. That is to be the machine language. Machine language. A compiled version of the machine language object code. Clear? A compiled version of the machine language object code to be here. So the correct answer, that is option number B, that is it is a mnemonic representation of machine language using a natural language alphabet. Clear? It is a mnemonic representation of a machine language using a natural language alphabet. Clear? So option number B will be the correct answer. Earlier, basically, I have asked basically one word, that is what is the definition of the word or what is the meaning of the word assembler here. Basically, assembler, basically assembly language. Assembly language must be assembled into object code via or through assembler. Okay. Now move to the next question. Question number 9. Question number 9, that is related to what is the meaning of the word or what is operating system to be here. Clear? Like basically there are different types of the operating systems. So a type of computer program used to organize and utilize the computer's processing functions. A type of computer hardware. Clear? Basically here the two words, basically rest it is everything same. Here it is a operating system, it is a computer program or it is a computer hardware used to organize and utilize the computer processing functions. Third one, that is a type of software used to create and edit the documents on a computer. Or option number D, that is it is a type of computer network used to connect the multiple devices together. Clear? Used to connect the multiple devices together. Clear? So what is an operating system? Clear? I have already tell you there are some of the examples of the operating system. First of all, like Windows, here, or Unix, Linux, MS-DOS, or some Apple variants like Apple Macintosh. Okay. So all are these are the operating system. These are the hardware or software. Basically, it is a computer program. These are all the computer program, not the computer hardware that is used to organize and utilize the computer's processing functions. So option number A will be the accurate answer. Okay. Now move to the next question. Question number 10 here. What is the purpose of an operating system? Clear? Question number 10, or basically the name suggested. What is the purpose of the operating system to be here? To line up the jobs and assign them to their proper places, to tell the CPU to perform the various functions and check the data moving through the various devices of the computer. Third one, that is to allow the multiple operators to use the system to perform the jobs at the time. Or option number D, that is all of the above. Clear? Or option number D, that is all of the above to be here. So what will be the correct answer here? Okay, so what is the purpose? That is option number 8 is one correct one, that is to line up the jobs and assign them to their proper places. Also to tell the CPU, that is central processing unit, to perform the various jobs and check the data moving through the various devices of the computer, to allow the multiple operators to use the system to perform the jobs at the same time. Clear? So here all the three are to be correct ones. So option number D will be the accurate answer of that is all of the above. Clear? All of the above to be here. Okay. So in this session, I will discuss up to this much point. In the next session, I will take up some more questions. And I request to all of you kindly go through the slides. Clear? I will cover totally 35 to 40 questions of each chapter along with the theory. Clear? Theory already provided to you in the group. Some of the MCQs we will also provide you in the group. In the examination, the case studies basically will be formulated with the help of these MCQs. Clear? Like I said, there is not any numerical type case study, only theoretical based case studies will be asked, which we will cover in the later sessions. Okay, so thanks to all of you for joining this session. If you like the video, please share with your friends also.